We are Creative Innovations, and we are working towards a cleaner world. We're trying to solve the issue of landfills leaking into drinking water, and our goal is to develop a better landfill design that will be cost-effective and safer for the environment. There are multiple layers of landfill. Some good, such as dirt, concrete, asphalt, construction rubber, rocks, cannery waste, drywall, and fabrics. And some which are hazardous, such as motor oil, oil filters, car batteries, and refrigerators.
Some of the common issues with landfills is their ability to cause environmental damage in the air, groundwater, or soil. With leachate leaking, our focus was for prevention. And the best way to do that is with proper upkeep and inspection, making sure you follow EPA guidelines. And also to develop a leak detection system that is for treatment on leachate. We can either be on-site or off-site using wastewater plants, or developing an on-site method which is biological or physical and chemical means.
We came up with criteria for each of the following things: pipes, triggers, foam, liners, sensors. Pipes are flow rate, cost, ease of installation, strength, durability. Triggers are compatibility, functionability, ease of installation, and durability. Liners, durability, ease of installation, cost, functionability. Foam is expansion, sealing, permeability, strength, durability, cost. Sensors are functionability, accuracy, and installation. Constraints are as follows: pipes, thickness, flow rate, material, and spacing. Liners are cost, minimum thickness, permeability requirement. Sensors, size, material, cost. Triggers, size, material, and cost. And foam, cost, and the toxins in the foam.
We had several different alternative solutions for the liners. They include Kevlar woven, high-density polyethylene, PVC, and self-repairing. Kevlar woven liners received the highest score because of its high ratings in durability, ease of installation, cost, and functionability.
Our group has decided to improve on the already existing landfill design by adding an epoxy layer between the liner and the compacted clay layers. In addition to this, we propose that Kevlar fibers be interwoven into high-density polyethylene liner. We plan on surpassing government regulations by using a high-density polyethylene pipe with a higher flow rate to prevent leachate backup. And we feel that producing energy from the methane gas that we collect will make these improvements more cost-effective.
Our design fixes the issue of leachate leaking into the drinking water from inside the landfill. The leachate treatment systems still pose a threat because the leachate can escape the treatment system and because the treatment system may not remove all of the contaminants. Our group suggests research and development on capsules as a plausible option. These capsules would contain an expandable material that would fill a void underneath of the landfill in case of a leak. These won't work because of the pressure the landfill is putting on the bottom layers. We could get around this by designing a gap between the bottom layer of the landfill and the compacted clay layer.
Our group worked on the capsules idea and developed several alternatives. For the capsule trigger, we came up with two alternatives: the proximity trigger and a remote controlled trigger. The proximity trigger received a higher score based on the attributes of compatibility, functionability, ease of installation, and durability. Alternatives for the foam include Great Stuff and epoxy. The epoxy alternative received a higher score based on the rating of expansion, sealing, permeability, strength, durability, and cost. And for the capsule sensors, we had three alternatives: Mettler, Toledo, Zirconia, and Glass Electrode. The Mettler Toledo received a high score based on functionability, accuracy, and installation.
By improving the pipe and upgrading the liner and adding an extra layer of epoxy, we have made a way to reduce the amount of waste leaching into our groundwater. The cost of the solution is well worth not having to clean up the leaks or pay the fines by the EPA. We are Creative Innovations, working towards a cleaner world. Thank you, and have a good day.